In this video, I will show you two methods to create a bow. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it.
We are going to start with 3 pieces of ribbon. 2 of them are the same length and 1 a little bit shorter. So what we're going to do is, for the 2 long ones, fold it over, push it down against each other itself there, make a pleat, same here. Plate, and then you place these together like that. Then we are going to take a zip tie or a piece of string, then we're going to wrap these together. We're going to come with our smaller piece. We're going to fold it over and place it on top of this, like that. Okay. I take another zip tie. We're going to cut. So we're going to pleat the center, place it in here like that. Take a zip tie. We're going to take a small piece and we're going to fold it into thirds. Now we're going to wrap this around here. You can use a glue gun. Put a drop of glue there. first thing you would have to do is to decide on the length of your tail. Now once you would have done that, you make a twist, then a loop, just make a small loop, or you twist again, come back here. Now we are going to start with a small loop, and as we move out, as the bow gets larger, we're going to make larger loops. So our next loop here should be a little bit larger than that. Okay. Twist. Your next loop. Twist again. And we continue like this until we get the amount of loops that we want. Loop. Twist. Once you would have gotten all the loops you want, take your zip tie and you tie. Fluff your bow. Then we are going to make a dovetail. There you go.
If you enjoy this video, leave us a like and a comment, and click on the subscribe button and bell to receive notifications for whenever we upload videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.